Hello everyone! Welcome to Color Our World with Art! A bit late to the bandwagon, but it's Children's Day! Spin away your worries for a while with a paper windmill. Gather these materials. First, mark the middle point of all the edges of a square paper using a ruler. Then connect opposite points to form two lines that intersect. Mark the intersection point. Then follow the lines and cut a quarter square from the paper. That's what your whole windmill is going to be made of. Save the rest of the paper for more windmills. Next, align your ruler to join two opposite corners and draw lines from the corners toward the center, stopping about 1 cm from the center on each line. Repeat for the other two corners. Then, cut the lines with scissors. Next, apply a dab of glue to the right side of one cut corner and align the corner to the center of the paper as you press the corner down. Repeat this step for the next 3 right cut corners. You can also staple these down if glue does not hold it well during drying. Once you glue down the last corner, a cute little windmill will be formed. Then put a push pin through the windmill and push that through a vertical straw. Adjust the windmill's tightness against the straw to make sure it can spin freely, and then test it by pushing your finger down on the blade to spin it. So stop grouching when you feel bored and put a brighter spin on your day by enjoying life's simple moments. Thank you for watching Color Our World with Art. Please don't forget to subscribe and see you soon.